He loves you so much. That is why He wants you to be directed. He wants you to be protected. And that is why you are hearing this message today. Going out with your friends are okay. Even if it compromises your own personal life and faith with God. I'm sorry because the internet shows you that it's okay to lie. It's okay to cheat. It's okay to live the life that I want. Kasi ito naman ang ginagawa ng marami. Pero hindi porket maraming gumagawa, tama na. I'm sorry because instead of becoming an influencer, you are being influenced. Kaya nga nahihirapan tayong mag-soar. We are so addicted to this. We stick our lives to this na kahit sa loob ng simbahan, kala natin ito na yung totoong buhay. This is supposed to bless us and not to be a source of curse in our life. We should use this wisely. Ang daming message kanina ni Pastor Marlon na huwag tumalak sa ating puso. In 1 Timothy 4:12, sabi na, let no one despise you, your youth, but be an example. Dito makikita mo gusto po ng Panginoon na maging influencer tayo for us to become good examples to the believers in word, in conduct, in love, in spirit, in faith, in purity. And youth, this is the heart of the Father. For you and me to live a life of holiness. For you and me to live a life of purity. For you and me to live a life that is consecrated, that is different, so that you can make a difference. Because it will be hard for you to stand out in your classroom, to stand out in your friends, if you still act like them, if you still drink with them, if you still smoke with them. If your life on social media still does not glorify the Lord, paano ka makakapamuhay sa isang buhay na itinalaga ng Diyos para sa iyo? 1 John 2:16, for all that is in the world,